We are on our way to our hotel in Belgium for Plopsa tomorrow, and we decided to look if we got some time over since Toverland. We were done with Toverland that early, so we are here at Dippiedoe Attractie Park in Holland, and yeah, we're gonna see they have 2 roller coasters that we're gonna do. So instead of 15 parks, we're doing 16.
Yay!
And we add 2 coasters. We are back to the normal count since 2 has been closed on us yesterday at Efteling. We are inside Dippiedoe Attractie Park here in Holland. We're gonna try to find the coasters here. This is so much fun. This was not a part of the plan. And when we arrived, they asked us in the counter if we called them a couple of days ago. So there's probably people coming here to see if that are going to ride the coasters. But they have a Angry Birds playground over here. I can see like a swinging boat ride for kids. Oh, have in mind, this is a kids park, okay? They have a Angry Birds entrance over there. Dippiedoe Attractie Park. This is from they have a water park next to this. I can see that they have like jet skiing and wakeboarding there. So of course we are going to take you on ride on the 2 coasters here.
There is the first one. It's like a...
Yeah, here's the first coaster.
Like water monster or something.
And I love that it's an old man operating it.
Yeah.
Wow. And there's no one on it. It's only us, and it's gonna be amazing.
I like it.
I'm not sure that we're ever gonna get off there. We're just gonna run us round and round and round and round. Oh, this is so much fun. So there's gonna be 16 vlogs from the trip instead of 15. Really hope you're gonna like that. This is actually themed, I can see now. It's like a Loch Ness monster or something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna dress up with the other GoPro. Sarah is trying to find the name of this small little coaster we just did.
What's the name of the park?
Dippiedoe. No, Dip.
Dip.
So this is Dolly Pier.
Dolly Pier.
So this is Dolly Pier, and it is a kiddie coaster. We had a lot of fun, and the operator had a lot of fun because he didn't let us off. We didn't.
You want to go 4th time? No, you don't.
We didn't ride it 1 time. We didn't ride it 2 times. We rode it 3 times, and then when we came in, he's like, "Again?" And we were like, "No, please, no." Anyway,
like a blue one.
It's fun for the kids, I promise. Okay, so the last coaster of the park is supposed to be Typhoon, but we are not sure if it's here. We'll see. Look at this one, it's so cute. And little mushrooms, they have done a good job. This is a small little park, so we didn't expect anything. We just did it because it was fun and we drove by it basically. Again, this is Dippiedoe Attractie Park, and here's another little kind of Ferris wheel ride. I don't remember the name of those. We have some small bumper cars over here. I can see a swinging ship over there, like a little bit of a bigger one, which I think is pretty cool. Look at this, the bumper cars at Dippiedoe Attractie Park. Wow, that is fun. That's really fun. And here we have, oh no, this is bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's big.
I really hope it's open. This is very closed.
It is.
Please tell me this is open, because this is bigger than I thought. Honestly, I'm not sure it's open though. There's someone there, it's open.
Yes.
I wonder where the entrance is. Is it here or there?
Ingang.
Ingang. Let's take that one. This is called Typhoon. And Typhoon looks pretty cool.
Looks nice.
It looks pretty cool. I am very interested in this.
It is quite long.
Wow. Look at this little coaster. Go to. Oh, it's cold. Hello. We just did this little blue machine called Typhoon. Sarah,
Yeah.
give us your honest review of Typhoon at Dippiedoe Park.
I thought it was so cute and it was so nice, but a little bit shaky.
Yeah.
It hurt my arm a bit, but
Yeah.
that what you can't imagine like it's gonna be brand new and
No.
so comfortable and stuff. It was so nice. It was long and it was fast. So I liked it.
Yeah. I think it was really fun.
Yeah.
The trains are very like nice themed, but they are so uncomfortable for the back.
Yeah.
It's like no. But for some reason,
Yeah.
there is old people working here.
Yeah.
And I don't mean that in a bad way. It's like it's retired people working in this park,
Yes.
which is so smart because they probably don't go to school or work during
In
Monday.
amusement park.
Work in an amusement park, so we can visit it on a Monday at 5:30.
Yeah.
I think that 4:30. Sorry, I think that was fantastic.
Yeah.
We have 2 more coasters on the count, which means that we are back
Track.
we are back on track since we lost 2 at Efteling, so that feels amazing. This is a very short vlog from Dippiedoe at Traxi Park here in Holland. We are now going to Belgium and tomorrow Plopsaland. I don't think there's gonna be any more surprises today.
No.
I don't think we have time for it,
Oh.
but
Have to do the car ride too.
yeah, I think so. I swallowed some insects.
Yeah, me too.
That was amazing.
I just got one in my nose.
Thank you for watching. Please like the video and give us some comments on Sarah eating bugs.